In this video, I'm going to share with you guys how to get your first 1,000 subscribers on YouTube. Now, you might be thinking, well, Judd, what about the 4,000 views? Well, I can tell you right now, if you follow this method, you're going to get 1,000 subscribers. You're going to get 4,000 views and then some. On this channel, guys, I talk about all things work from anywhere, tips, tricks, and of course, job opportunities. If you're interested in that sort of thing, please consider subscribing and hitting that bell notification so you get notified every single week when my new videos come out. And if you could do me a huge solid and just punch that like button right in the face for me, it lets the good people at YouTube know, hey, people want more of this content. All right, so let's get right into it. There are many different ways to grow a YouTube channel, but when it comes down to brass tacks, it's all about the subscribers and the views. So how do you get subscribers, which ultimately leads to more views? You have to do what's called keyword research. You can have the best camera, you can have the best microphone. It doesn't matter. If people can't find you, then they're not gonna subscribe and they're not gonna watch your videos. So you have to do your research, which brings me to step one of starting a YouTube channel. You just have to get started, right? Don't worry about being perfect. You're gonna learn over time, because I can tell you right now, your first 100 videos are gonna suck. In fact, your first 300 and 400 and so on. I've been doing this for a couple years, and every time I watch one of my videos, I cringe. I am constantly changing and updating and tweaking. Let's dive into my computer. Let me show you guys exactly how to do this, and you can take what I teach you right now, and you can get started with this tool absolutely free, and you can start taking action, start putting videos out there. This is what you need right here, guys. You need keyword research, you need an iPhone, you need a mic, and you're rocking and rolling. Now, you can see these little reports here, trending, stats, and you can see up here, here's all my stats for my channel. This is a tool called vidIQ. This is a tool designed for YouTube creators, whether you're just getting started or you're a channel with millions and millions of subscribers. A lot of the YouTubers, right, big YouTubers use vidIQ, and there's another tool called TubeBuddy. I personally have used both. vidIQ is the one that I always use on a regular daily basis. I find it to be the best. I think they have the best support, and they also have great training videos here on YouTube that you can check out as well. You can use this tool absolutely free. There are paid versions, but a lot of what I'm going to show you is on the free version. If it is a paid option, I will tell you what I'm doing so you know. So the way I would go about this is, let's say I'm brand new. The first thing I would do is do my research. What is my channel about? So let's say my channel is about golfing. If I type in golfing, right, 2,007,400 views. Now, I'm not going to compete with that, but look at this. Golfing tips, that's a little bit more realistic, 560 views. Golfing tips for beginners. Let's look at this one. So now what I'm looking for here, guys, now look at this. So what I did first was I typed in golfing. Golfing is called, it would be a key word. Golfing tips for beginners is what's called a long tail keyword. So the more words you add to the end of your main keyword, the less competition, which means you can start making videos in that niche or in those long tail keywords, because you're going to have a better chance of rank. I might look at this and say, okay, golf clubs explained. That's something that I could do a video about. I feel good about it. Okay, you got to obviously know what you're doing. You don't just pick something out of thin air. So what I would look at first is this score here. So this is a 48. Now, ideally, guys, I look for 50 and above. So I look for anything in the green. So it's saying there's good volume here, but in medium competition. So typically 48 might be a little tough for me to rank for. Now, for the purpose of this video, I'm not going to keep going and going because I don't want you guys to get caught up. But let me see if I can't. All right, let's see this. Golf clubs explained for beginners. See if I can get a green here. Nope, still at a 43. But here's what I would do. What I might do is go back to this and go golfing. All right, let's go golfing for beginners. Okay, I'm still low, but here's the trick. What I'm going to do is I'm going to go to this see all keywords. Now, this may be a more advanced feature, but it's only 10 bucks a month. So what I would do is click the overall score. Now I can see things in the 70, 60, right? 60 out of 100. What this is a score that vidIQ has put together showing you where you can compete. And the rule of thumb, what I've heard from other creators, is anything over 50, okay? Titleist, right? That's a type of golf club. You could do stuff on Titleist because look, 57 out of 100. There's good search volume. I like to stay above 1,000. Some people say above 5,000 a month. Reduce handicap. This is a great one, right? How to reduce your handicap. I could make a video on this. Obviously the word golf is too big. Driving distance, it's a little low. TaylorMade, this is a type of golf club. You could do reviews on TaylorMade golf clubs. How to hit a backswing, look at this. And you could say how to hit a backswing for left-handers, how to hit a backswing and get a handicap, or, I'm not a big golfer. So that's how you gotta look at these, right? Beginner golf lesson, this is a perfect one if you're somebody starting a golf channel. Beginner golf lesson for men over 40, beginner golf lesson for women over 40, beginner golf lesson for men over 50, and so on. Beginner golf lesson for college students. That's how you start to grow your channel, right? And even within all these are going to be even more keywords. So the way that I look at keywords are my title. Okay, so you have to you have to do your research on how to create titles. Okay, I'm not going to dive too deep into that right now. But beginner golf lesson, I'm not just going to title it beginner golf lesson, but I might say 5 tips. My best 5 tips for, or let's see, beginner golf lesson. You could do an S at the end. That's fine. Top 10 beginner golf lesson plans, right? Or lesson strategies, or I don't know, things like that. Start looking at, people love top 10 lists, top 5, top 20, how to get started, beginner golf lessons, something like that, okay? So boom, I've got my video. I might take 10 of these and put them into a spreadsheet and get rocking and rolling. Now here's another way I do my research and how you can really start cranking your channel up. And if you start doing 3 videos a week, guys, consistency for the next 6 months, you're gonna hit 1,000 subscribers if you follow this. Now, another great way to do it is, I learned this from a website called DreamCloud. I'll put a link for him below. But this is a great tactic here. So one thing he showed on his channel, he showed me is, if you look at this here, what I'm looking for is low subscribers, high views. So this is a subscriber. Now you can only get this with the vidIQ plugin. And I'm going to put a link below for you guys. It is an affiliate link, so thank you but also it is free. So there's free options and paid options, but you can check it out, link below. Now look at this, 146,000 subscribers, but look at this, 1.2 million views. That tells me that 90% of these views came from outside his subscriber base. That means this is a great video. So what I would do is click on his name. Okay, let me mute this.
What if you could make a full-time...
Whoop. And this is where I would go. I go down here and I want to look at the stats. If you click on this historical stats, this is in vidIQ, it's showing me this graph is going up, 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 which means this is a popular topic. Now you can see here it's kind of dipped up, but it's coming back up. This is probably because it's seasonal. Obviously that's what it is. So this is a seasonal one, but if this was not a seasonal, it's showing me the graph is going up. So what I want you to get here is look at your graphs, look at your data. Data does not lie, guys. So if a chart is going up, if this graph down here is going up, it's a hot video, right? It's a hot topic. Make your own tweak on it, change the titles, okay? Here is a more advanced tip for you guys too, is, let me go back in here, click on this, is 5 best tips for beginner golfers. Maybe you make 10 tips and take out the like top 10 tips, top 10 best tips for beginner golfers, and so on. Make your own video. But what's great about this is I can go over here to this little this stats button, click on that, scroll down, and look, it shows me all the keywords this person is using. Beginner golf tips, how to hit irons, golf tips for beginners, golf tips. This shows me where they're ranking, 1, 1, 1. This person's ranking first for all these. I can make videos on each of these tags. Now I can also click on this little paperclip icon, clip it, and guess what? I have all their tags saved. I can post them right into my video. Now, you don't want to copy exactly because there might be personal tags in here, like the name of the channel, per person's names. You got to take those out, but you can use the regular tags, okay? Maybe change them around a little bit, and of course, add your own. You never want to steal, right? You never want to blatantly copy, but this is how everybody gets their ideas, okay? You can also click this SV export and download all these keywords, put them into a spreadsheet, and there are your videos for the next freaking year, okay? It's crazy. So get in this tool. The best way, guys, to start growing your channel, right? Like I said, is just get started and get into vidIQ. It's free, okay? And just get started. Go to vidIQ's channel, start watching their videos, start learning how to do keyword research. When you understand keyword research, you understand the data, you understand the numbers, guys, nothing is going to stop you, okay? So I hope that was helpful. That's just a brief overview. Check out the vidIQ channel. Check out my link below so you can get started with vidIQ today. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.